She's over there. Let's see if the guy's gonna see her there. I wonder if the enemies even use bandages or first aid kits. Because that guy's been bleeding for a while. It's probably not doing much damage, but any damage helps. And if they don't bandage, then obviously it's really going to help. Now I think he has seen me, or is going to. Yeah. That was a bit too much. I wonder if I can be bold and just stand up and walk towards him.
You got my ear.
I'll probably get myself killed, but I want to know now. And this is obviously an opportunity to get into real time mode as well. Come on, don't see me, don't do anything, just sit there and do nothing.
You got my ear.
Still this mode, eh? I guess that means that the enemy still sees me or something. I just feel like I'm just getting her killed, to be honest. There, Thor. You go sneak there. That guy's still bleeding. Jeez. Yeah, there's not really much to say now, because not much is happening. I mean, I'm just trying to sneak up on a guy for many minutes now, I think. Yeah, the Jagged Alliance is not really a great game to do a let's play of during battles, because they take a while, as you've seen now, but I still think it's really fun to watch. I'm probably one of the only ones, but hey. Just I was watching, I don't remember the guy's name, but he's doing a let's play of Unfinished Business, the expansion of Jagged Alliance 2. And yeah, I enjoy watching it, so.
All of Deidreana's men. The army. I knew we'd see them sooner or later.
It's not an interrupt. Let's see if we can hit him. Nope, nowhere near. Nowhere near Thor. Let's see if Ira can do better. Apparently not. Apparently Ira's very bad now. Gonna have to do something else, because if I don't do anything, he's just gonna shoot at us and we're gonna die.
We'll have to do some killing.
Ooh, he's actually gotten closer now, is he? Oh, that might be just a chance, just to be able to hit him. Drassen, airport number 2. Just because saving is important. That's nowhere near, dude. You can do better. That was nowhere near as well. Ira, you're gonna have to save the day. Like that. That's critical. That's good. Shame you couldn't follow up though. I'm slowly learning the shortcuts for burst mode and stealth and all that. Slowly. Maybe by the end of the game I'll actually know. Probably not, but... Oh, come on. Don't do that. I wanna load that. Come on, game. It's kinda annoying that you can't load while the enemy's having his turn. Or its turn, I should say. Come on. I just wanna load.
my ear.
Yeah, I don't wanna take that much damage. No way. Now let's see, what's the smart thing to do with Ira? Move her back there? Way too much points. Move her even closer? That's probably going to just end up bad. Apparently moving closer makes you harder to hit. For that guy anyway. Then again, he's got caught a couple of bullets, so... Oh, I hope Ira's gonna have some decent amount of action points to actually get near the building. And then hopefully not die. The enemy's not doing too much, it seems. Because there's shooting happening here. Normally there's a giant rush of enemies, but not this time. Come on, finish that guy already. God. Doubt he's going to hit. No, he's not going to hit. Loading that. I need the best way to spend my action points here. Because I don't have too many. Stealth points is like a 1/3 increase. And here it's 50%. I don't know. It's big increase anyway. How close can I get? I'm probably gonna die. Yeah. I need him to miss from that distance, to be honest. Bloody unlikely though. And every time you gotta wait for the opponent's turn. And the civilian after that, but the civilians don't take that long, to be honest.
You got my ear.
Now I'm wondering, should I take that damage? Because at least I'm making progress then, but taking that much damage just for the sake of progress? I don't know. Just overriding yet another save. I don't think a burst fire is really necessary. Ira, don't miss from that distance. Seriously. You can do better. Fine, let's burst fire.
Flippin' A!
Good, he's definitely dead then. Let's lie down for safety. And let's approach with Thor. I was just thinking, I've not heard that one guy bleed, but yeah, there he goes.
Contact.
Oh dear. Yeah, now they're approaching, it seems. As long as I can get inside here, whatever it is, then I'm happy.
Contact.
Yeah, they're definitely approaching now. I don't like this. I don't like this one bit. Though I think I've said that a lot of times and still managed to make it, so...
Jawohl.
Ira's safe, is she? Interesting. I wonder, should I move him? He's safe there. Now I think he's just gonna crawl forward one spot and then shoot at us again. Apparently someone fainted. Was that the guy that was bleeding? Or... because it sounded damn close, to be honest.
Contact.
No, it's not that guy. Turn around and shoot.
Oh,
A miss.
Too close for comfort.
Oh. Oh dear. Oh no 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 no. Ira's going to die if this keeps up. I'm really considering just waiting until it's night. Because this is bad. I'm really just bad at open areas. Maybe it's because I don't have the weapons. Maybe it's just because I lack strategy. I don't know.